To address iron deficiency, it's crucial to understand that iron is naturally present in food and requires acids to be released for absorption. Common causes of low iron levels include heavy menstrual bleeding or insufficient hydrochloric acid, which aids iron absorption. Low hydrochloric acid can result from frequent snacking, drinking during meals, stress, or overeating. To increase hydrochloric acid production, it's recommended to eat only during designated mealtimes, drink fluids between meals, and manage stress. Additionally, you can enhance acid production by consuming a bit of cayenne pepper with your meals or having some lemon juice with hot water before eating. Boosting hydrochloric acid is essential to unlock iron from food. Ferritin stores iron in the body, and proteins help bind and store it. In cases of low ferritin levels, it might not necessarily be due to inadequate protein intake, but rather the inability to break down protein efficiently due to insufficient hydrochloric acid. Therefore, to address iron deficiency, focus on increasing hydrochloric acid production and ensure a well-rounded diet that includes lentils, nuts, and seeds to enhance protein intake. In summary, addressing iron deficiency involves a multifaceted approach, including dietary changes, considering factors that affect iron absorption, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals. While improving hydrochloric acid production and protein intake can play a role, it's important to take a comprehensive approach to ensure the proper management of iron deficiency. Consult a healthcare professional. Before attempting to self-diagnose and treat iron deficiency, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or registered dietitian. They can perform blood tests to confirm the deficiency and provide personalized recommendations.